Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video from our series on Pinterest tips and hacks and practically how to maximize your results from your campaigns and from your promoted pins and from driving traffic from Pinterest to your website. Now in this series we will talk about, in this video we will talk about another tip or hack that you can use to maximize your results from your ads, and this is use the right keywords and do tests. Now as you probably know already, targeting is very important when you are running a campaign, a promoted campaign or an ad on any type of media online. And keywords are one of the main element for right targeting, for maximizing your success when running a campaign, for getting conversions and for getting results. For example, people that are doing Google AdWords campaign sometimes are very successful because they are using the right keywords, and they practically appear in front of their audience in the perfect moment when they are looking for something for their product to buy. So practically they are actually targeting people who are looking to buy their product or something like that. And in order for them to be able to do that, what are they using? They are using keywords, the right keywords. And the main advantage on Pinterest as a social media platform where you can run promoted campaigns and ads is the fact that you can use keywords. So you practically can intercept people that are actually looking for what you are selling, and this is a very big advantage. Now the fact is that you can add up to 150 keywords for your ad, which is actually very good. You can also add specific keywords, that are more niched on your product or your service. You can also add a broader practically number of keywords, that you can use and you can test to see how the ad reacts and how people are reacting to your ad. And also it's indicated to use general words, and see practically from all of these keywords which are performing better, which are driving more traffic and more engagement for your campaign. Now the big advantage for this, or the main benefit, is that you will not impact just your conversion rate, but also your cost per click and your click-through rate, which will translate in more effective campaigns and smaller ad costs for your promoted campaigns. The higher your click-through rate, the lower your costs per click will be for your promoted pin, and practically that way you will get cheaper traffic, for pennies per click, if you want to say so. So these are the things that you need to keep in mind when you are using keywords to target your perfect audience for your ad. Now guys, thank you again very much for your attention. I hope this was helpful for you, and I wish you good luck till our next time, and I will see you in our next video. Bye for now. Sorin here.